What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. If you are tired of losing all your money in the trenches in 2026, well, this video is for you because I'm going to show you exactly how to start deving meme coins with literally $0. Instead of trading and buying random shitty meme coins, we focus on finding viral narratives and creating the coin and making money as a dev without risking anything. In this video, I will be doing a step-by-step guide for you guys, and I will even do a live example to show you exactly how it's done from a pro. I am not an influencer, I am not selling you anything, I am just a dev who built this wallet from launching and deving meme coins, and I'm about to show you my exact strategy from A to Z right now. Let's get straight to it. Now look, in the meme coin market, you have only traders and devs, okay? And most people think that you will make way more money from trading just because it's more popular. But the truth is that devs are making way more money than the traders. Why? Because most of these coins that are being launched just end up going to zero, and obviously the traders do not make money when the coin goes to zero. Instead, it's the devs. These devs are making so much money just from dumping the coin on their end, it's absolutely absurd. That is exactly why in today's video I will be exposing the entire strategy from A to Z on how to find the on-chain narrative, how to turn it into a meme coin, how to launch it right, which basically requires nothing, okay, instead of trading. And I will even do a live launch for you guys to show you how it's done from a live perspective. I am not here to sell you a course, I am not LARPing, okay? I am the only guy on YouTube making live deving videos, so you better watch until the end. And by the way, bro, everything said in this video is purely for educational purposes only. I have to be clear that I am not a financial advisor, okay? So do your own research and the results will vary. Cap! Now, here's where most devs mess up. They think that by launching coins on Pump.Fun, they're going to get generational wealth or their coin is going to go viral. The truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. It's flooded by a bunch of coins launching every single second. The fact is that most of these coins are going to go nowhere. They're going to get no buyers, bro. Like, look at this, bro, completely dead. I can click on another coin, completely dead, okay? It's just full of bullshit. Now, on top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity when you launch a coin on Pump.Fun, which means you are minimizing your profits because you don't have any supply. That is exactly why I have a different strategy when it comes to deving, and it's untapped, and that is launching in the migrate section directly without going through the bonding curve. I directly launched Iridium, reaching thousands of people, okay? A bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin. They will most likely insta buy it, and we will be using that initial momentum to make our coin push forward and go extremely viral. But look, to launch a meme coin in the migrate section, bro, you cannot use Pump.Fun because of the bonding curve. Instead, use create meme.io to launch directly to Radium. That's why a bunch of people are keeping this website a secret. And obviously, making a coin on this launchpad is extremely easy. If you have a community or a project in mind or some type of news, right, that you found online, you can turn that into coins. It's easy, just put a name, symbol, and image, okay? Yeah, it's that easy. Or you can use their free X tracker and turn tweets, okay, into coins. It's as simple as that. New tweets come out every single second from important accounts, but I have my own strategy that is printing me every single day, and that is the copy trending coins feature right here. The reason why I make all my money from here is because instead of creating a whole new coin that you have to find online, I just copy a coin that already went viral or is going viral right now, and I relaunch that exact same coin. I make a duplicate and I copy it back to Radium to get a bunch of buyers and a bunch of attention and propel my own copy forward, okay? We will be using these narratives to make money. Let me show you exactly how to do it from a dev perspective. Alright guys, let's make some money, bro. Let me show you exactly how to do it from A to Z. Okay, I am the only guy on YouTube doing this, but anyways, let's go. Click your Phantom White, right? Click on refresh if you want to, and then you will have a bunch of new coins pop up, or the same ones. It depends which one is trending, and look for one to copy, bro. I'm gonna just copy this one, FAFO, okay? Click on copy to Radium. Your Phantom White is going to show up with a warning. Just ignore it. It's normal for all launchpads. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created, okay? Give it a couple seconds. And boom, now it's live, bro. Well, first of all, if you go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live, it's minted, everything is legit on the site. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we will be creating and allocating our supply for the Radium liquidity pool. Like that, your coin can go live to Radium, right? And it can actually migrate. That is the whole point. Now look, for the amount of coins, right? Click on 90%. I usually do this amount for all my coins, which is 900 million tokens. For the amount of SOL right under, for the second step, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. Basically, you will be exchanging some of your SOL for some supply in your own coin. Like that, you can make money as a dev because you will have supply before everyone else. That is the whole point. Now look, if you want this back, well, you can at any moment have it back. You just have to exit on your supply. But anyways, click on create pool. Your Phantom White is going to show up. And then just ignore the block, right? Once again, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the FAFO coin is live. Your PNL is going to be right there. And if you want to check how much you're up now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, now we're up $221. This is because people are buying our coin and they love the narrative. That is a good sign because that is the proof of concept for copying coins. But anyways, go on Photon, Axum, Nova, it's up to you, bro, to see your chart. Okay, it should be live. Let me go on the 1 second time frame and bang, bro. Oh my god, we are gaining a bunch of attention. This is insane, guys. Look at this. It's pumping already, bro. So many people are insta buying our meme coin. This is exactly why I love deving, bro. Like, look at this. It's all going live on camera. My personal coin is gaining a bunch of buyers, bro. 2K market cap. Things are insane. We're already up like a couple $100 if I had to guess. Like, bang, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's still pumping again. Guys, I spent nothing on creating this coin, and look at this. This is proof of concept. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, I'll show you exactly how to cash out. So I'm back, and let's cash out on our profits now, bro. We're at a 2.5k liquidity, bro. This is insane. Now look, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button once again to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we're up 2.42 grand, bro. That's insane. You can even trade your coin if you want. So if I go in for like 1 SOL, bang, come on, pump, bang. Oh, I saw it. Okay, we made 8%. That's not bad. But anyways, okay, that's not the point of the video. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom White is going to show up right here, okay? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin on camera. Look at this, 2.43 grand is what I received in my Phantom White. And yes, it is a repeatable method, bro. You have to stay consistent. You have to be launching multiple coins a day if you want to see those gains compound. The results will vary though. Maybe on one coin you might make 3k. Then sometimes $100, $20, 0, 10k. You never know, bro. But you have to stay consistent on all your devs. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere, or go on Google, type in create meme.io and wait, create, yeah. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment, and subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway. Good luck to everyone who enters for the next giveaway.